Unlocking your next Genshin Impact adventure is easier than you think, even if direct payment isn't your go-to. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your Google Play gift card to snag those coveted Genshin Impact in-game items, powerful characters, and game-changing upgrades without ever needing to link a credit card. First things first, you'll need to redeem your Google Play gift card on your Android device. Open the Google Play Store app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that pops up, select Payments and Subscriptions. Now choose Redeem Gift Code. Here, you'll enter the 16-digit code from your Google Play gift card. Make sure to type it carefully to avoid any errors once entered. Tap Redeem. You'll see a confirmation that your gift card has been successfully redeemed and added to your Google Play balance. Now, let's head over to Genshin Impact, launch the game, and navigate to the in-game shop. You'll typically find this by tapping on the Genesis Crystal icon or a similar purchase button. Browse through the available items you want to purchase, whether it's Genesis Crystals for wishes, the monthly card, or other exciting deals. When you select an item and proceed to checkout, you'll see the payment options. Your redeemed Google Play balance should automatically be available as a payment method. Confirm your purchase, and voila! Your Google Play gift card is now fueling your Genshin Impact journey, enhancing your gameplay and letting you explore Teyvat to its fullest. Happy adventuring!